If you're seeing a Tinkercad rotate object error, like the rotation arcs disappearing, the object jumping in huge steps, or the shape rotating the wrong way, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes so you can get rotation working again quickly and keep building without frustration. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and Tinkercad tips. Let's start with the most important thing to understand. In Tinkercad, rotation can behave differently depending on where your cursor is on the rotation control. If you want larger snap rotations, like 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, or 90 degrees, keep your mouse inside the circular compass. That gives you the more obvious snap-style rotation. But if you want precise movement, move your cursor outside the compass. That lets you rotate by single degrees, which is helpful when you need exact alignment. And if you already know the angle you want, you can click the number box and type it directly, such as 22.5 degrees. That's often the fastest way to avoid the trial and error feeling of dragging the object around. Now, if the rotation arcs are missing completely, the issue is usually visual rather than permanent. First, try rotating the camera view. In Tinkercad, one of the axis handles can sometimes be hidden behind the object, especially if the model is tall, wide, or built from multiple parts. Changing your viewing angle can bring those rotation controls back into view. If the object is made of a very large group, you may also run into rendering problems. In that case, try ungrouping the model, rotating the parts separately, and then regrouping them afterward. That often forces Tinkercad to redraw the handles correctly. Another simple fix is to zoom out a little. If you're zoomed in too close, the rotation handles may be sitting outside your visible workspace, which makes it look like the tool is broken when it's really just off screen. If your object is rotating in huge jumps or feels stuck, check the snap grid settings in the bottom right corner. A larger snap value can make rotation and movement feel very rough, so switching the grid to 0.1 millimeters or turning it off can give you much finer control. This is especially useful for detailed models or when you need exact positioning. Another trick is to move the object closer to the center of the blue grid, near the 0,0 origin. Rotation tends to be more stable in the middle of the workspace, and weird behavior can happen when a shape is far away from center. Also, make sure the object is not locked. If the lock icon in the shape inspector is purple, that means the object cannot be moved or rotated until you unlock it, so always check that first if the controls seem frozen. There's also a difference between rotating the object and rotating the camera. If you right-click instead of left-clicking, you may end up spinning the view instead of the shape, which can make it seem like the rotation tool is broken. Always use the left mouse button on the rotation handle when you want to rotate the model itself. And if the object gets tilted into the air or stuck above the workplane, just press the D key to drop it back down to the floor. That simple shortcut can instantly reset the placement and make it easier to rotate again. If none of those fixes solve the problem, there's one last trick that often works surprisingly well. Go back to your Tinkercad dashboard, click the gear icon on the project, and choose Duplicate. Making a fresh copy of the design can reset broken behavior and clear out temporary glitches in the rotation tools. This is especially useful if the project has been edited a lot or if the browser is struggling to render the model correctly. So to recap, if Tinkercad rotation is acting up, check whether you're inside or outside the compass, make sure the rotation handles aren't hidden, lower the snap grid, center the object, unlock it, and duplicate the project if needed. Those steps solve most rotation errors in just a few minutes. If this video helped you fix your Tinkercad rotate object issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and beginner-friendly design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.